You searched how to buy shares of Evofem Biosciences Inc. Evofem Biosciences is a clinical stage biotech company focused on women's reproductive health, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EVFM. This short guide is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically be asked to verify your account with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker EVFM to find Evofem Biosciences. Select the listing that shows EVFM on NASDAQ to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right listing. Check that the page clearly shows Evofem Biosciences Inc. and the EVFM ticker. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the purchase completes. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example broker is provided in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.